we have arrived at the 215th floor, 215 floor. Where are we, Inoray?
We're in 215층인데 지금 차차 스튜디오라는 곳에 있습니다.
We're on the 215th floor, Cha Cha Studio.
Yes, Cha-Cha Studio. Let's take our seats. Para mas mapag-usapan natin itong Cha-Cha Studio. Interesado ba kayong makisakay sa Cha-Cha Studio? Yes! Okay, so from now on, we love this segment. From now on, we'll find Arohas who meet each condition and take a photo. Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Are you excited?
Oh, yeah, good. Let's go.
Let's go! Now, so we're gonna reveal the condition at maghahanap kami sa audience ng participation. Ayaw naman talagang husaya ninyo sa part na yan. So, wait, let's reveal the first condition. Show us, please. Ayun. So, we will be looking for an older woman na Aroha. And then you will be putting your palm together and shouting on the screen.
I'm 97.
Okay?
26 years old.
Right. So our camera, we will be looking for it. And of course, Saulo also will be looking for it. So balikan natin. Taas ang kamay. Iwakay right. Amen. Alright. Ready? I think we have found the first person. Let's check it out. Sino to? Ay! Nasaan siya? There. Okay. Paano nga? Oh, yan. Okay, paki-adjust na ng poder.
Ate Arwa.
Yes.
Ate.
Ate, ano? Are you Filipino? No. Where are you from? London? Hong Kong. Alright, perfect. Alright. And thank you for coming all the way to the Philippines. In 3, ready na ba tayo, Direk? In 3, 2, adjust mo, yan. 3, 2, adjust pa, ito yung nakakaliwa. Yan. Kaya tuloy? Okay. And 3, 2, 1, click! Yan! Alright, thank you so much!
Thank you.
Thank you, Shisha. Bido. Alright. Guys, if you are fake, please naman, kumbaga, hanapin niyo yung angulo nyo, ganun, ha? Alright. Don't worry. Are you guys excited? Huwag mong lalamang. Huwag lamangan. Okay, next. Our next prompt. Please show us our next condition. Make a photo together with a Aroha with curly hair. Kulot talaga, kulot. You know what curly in Korea and Filipino? Sabi mo naman ako. You know what curly is in Filipino? Kulot.
Wala, Arwa.
Yes! Kulot Aroha. Alright. Here now.
Bakit tayo napakulot kayo?
Not yet. Wait a minute. Alright. Now, let's check it out.
Wala.
Financial lang yan, Del. Okay. Nasaan ka? Nasa siguro tulong ka. Yun. Alright. Tama natin yung matakulot na yan. Ano ka rin naman? Nag-effort ka rin sa part. Alright. So we are gonna do a wink. About wink? Wink, alright? So dapat matagal yung pag-wink, Tera. Are you from the Philippines? Siguro naman. Okay. Alright. Are you ready with the wink?
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
And 3, 2, 1, winkle! Okay! Thank you so much! girl. Nagkulit siya yung mga 30 minutes niya. Nag-Dyson siya pa ganun. Alright, next condition. Getting more excited with height. You can height? You can height. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Alright, let's look for our next condition. Show us, please. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot the May! 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 O, saglit na! Saglit.
Come on!
Saglit. Hahanap po tayo! May arrojado, men! Taas ang kamay! Dapat talaga pinabila sumasayaw! Dapat talaga sumasayaw! Okay. Now, we have chosen our male aroma. Let's check it out. Ay! Si Kuya!
Kuya, Aroha, Kuya. Kuya.
Okay, you are supposed to do a, ano nga yun? Ano nga yun? Rock, paper, scissors. Bato. You know what rock, paper, scissors is?
Of course.
In Filipino.
I don't know.
Bato, pick.
Ato, big.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready? Bato, pick. Yeah. Okay, stand by. And,
Bato.
touch mo yun. 3, 2, 1. Bato, pick. And, it's okay. And, 3, 2, 1. Bato, pick. Bida! Bida! Huwag ka naman! Wala naman kayo! Wala naman kayo! Woo! Nag-fair? Galing! You lost. Congratulations! Palakpakan naman si Kuya na ano? Talaga naman. Very smart. Perfect. You lost. He gave you the heart. He gave you heart.
Yeah. Me too. I'll take part.
Matawal ko yan. Alright. Our next are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's show our next condition. Please show. Kaya today? Go now. Saglit lang guys ha. Okay. Talaga ko lang yung ano. Tanong mo muna. Wala ka nilaman dito guys. Wala ka nilaman dito. Ready na po ba tayo with our next one? Please show our next condition.
Take a photo.
Okay. Take a photo during a pose as if both are fanning each other with an aroma holding an little fan.
Yung mga bumili ng ticket, image
This is
ticket.
gonna be our last with an ano fan. Okay. Sino ang mamimili? Sige guys, iwagay-wag yung itaas nyo yan. Let's go. Ang makapili, ang ating makapili.
Yung image ticket yung...
Alright, now I think they have decided. Let's check it out.
hindi. Ano.
Ayan, si ate. Ate, nasaan si ate? Ayun, sa harapan. So, take a photo as if you are nagpapay-pay kayo sa isa't isa. Ate naman. Alright. Okay, ready? Are you ready?
Ready?
You ready? Pass up energy. Are you ready? Okay, alright. And 3, 2, and cue!
Each other.
Oh, alright guys. Thank you so much, Ate. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin siya.
Hindi na-gets ni ate.
Do you guys want more? Don't worry, there's gonna be more. But completed the photo time with Aurora in various runways. How do you feel and what do you think, Aurora?
Upper box.
Calm down.
Oh yes, calm down muna, calm down. Isasabihin ni Kuya Nari.
Okay, okay, kalma.
이렇게 아주 즐겁고 행복한 순간을 가진 것 같아요.
Well, it was so fun taking photos with you and nagkaroon tayo ng napakagandang memories na kayo sa bahay.
And don't worry guys, you will be making more memories with Chao here on stage. But for now, we have reached an end to finally close the Cha-Cha Studios. And yeah. I personally, I will be saying goodbye because we have various fun stages through the mystery elevator and throughout the night. Sadly, it is time for me to say goodbye. So thank you very much for... Ako lang to, ako lang alis. Huwag kayo mag-alala, nandito pa siya. Don't worry guys, ako lang. Thank you so much for being an amazing artist for tonight. And we hope to see you again in the Philippines.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And guys, since there are still remaining stages, please continue to give your
He's a
big
Kim.
cheer for the
Kim.
one and
Kim.
only China! Thank you guys, 감사합니다.
빠나까. Masaya ba kayo? Masaya ba kayo? Right. So now, just Aruha and me. 같이 그러면 과거로 여행을 떠나봅시다.
So now, are we ready to travel back in time with me?
Are you ready to travel?